In this video, I'll show you how you can fix black screen and crashing on startup in CS2. Now first you want to find CS2 and go to properties. In launch options, what you want to type is dash windowed and dash auto config, just like this. And then what you want to do is we want to find our browsed files. So right click on it, go to manage and browse local files. Now in here, what we want to do is we want to find our game. So it should be in here somewhere, bin Windows 64, and our CS2 is right here. What you want to do with this is we want to delete this one. And then once we're done deleting it, you want to head over here, properties, install files, and verify integrity of game files. And this is going to reinstall your cs2.exe. Now once you've done that, what you want to do is right click on it, properties, compatibility, and activate these two. So just like what I said, you want to delete the CS2, head over here, verify, and then it's going to come back. And then you're just going to activate these two. Now our launch command here is going to make the game in windowed mode, so you can just go full screen once you open it. Once we've done this, what you should do is you should come here and search for Windows Update and check if you have a Windows Update. After you've checked that, you want to head over to Device Manager, and in here find your graphics card, right click and update the driver. Once you've done all of this, it should hopefully work, and I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.